Well, I've always been interested in electricity, but never learned a lot about it. And when I was in the Army as a helicopter mechanic, I did a lot of troubleshooting of complex systems, and a big part of that was electrical. And I didn't get a good grasp of how all that worked. So I wanted to go into an electrical major, an engineering major, and I chose computer engineering. I'm a really hard worker. My background in the Army was quality control, working with aircraft, so I know the importance of attention to detail in a safety-critical environment. I'm a good leader, I can work well with others, and I have a passion for engineering and creating things. My senior capstone project for the computer engineering program, I'm working with a group of 4 people total on a robotics platform for artificial intelligence. We're trying to simulate a small mammal, so we're implementing a variety of different senses. We're trying to simulate sense of smell, simulate hearing, simulate sense of touch. The robot's going to be driven around using motors and wheels, and we're using a microcontroller to read the sensors and drive the motors, and that's communicating to a Raspberry Pi, which is the brain of the robot. And then all that data is transmitted wirelessly to a server. I think right now, if I had to choose a dream project, it would be to design either like an engine control system for a race car or like a telemetry system. I'm just amazed with some of these high-performance race cars, the amount of telemetry that's generated and used by the team to analyze performance. And I would love to dig into that and create something so complicated, generating so much data and working with tons of sensors. And right now, it's a tough thing to nail down. There's so much out there. I would love to work in the automotive or aerospace industries. I like companies that have a product with some sort of mechanical aspect, like a car or an airplane, helicopter, or something like that. And then the other side, probably my other top choice would be a chip designer like Intel or NVIDIA, working with digital design.